Bonjour, good morning, sabah al khair, Buenos Aires, whatever language you're speaking. We going live today, Wednesday. We have a huge market watch list. So let's get right to it, everybody. If you're ready, just type "you are ready" in the live chat section and let's kick our video. Welcome everybody. So what's going on? What's going on with the market? Let us check a bit. BBBY, you see the big picture here, a huge pump from the 28 down toward the 3. We have a huge pump yesterday and the price went down. We have to watch out for BBBY. Let's ask OpenAI about BBBY. Okay. Let me just check. I think AI will never have idea what I'm talking about. BBBY going to the moon today. Let me just check the AI if he actually have an idea about what I'm talking about. Exactly. He's not a financial advisor. Nobody is. This is I think he's programmed for not actually giving any financial advice for anybody. Anyway, so we have to rely on our technical in order to hunt BBBY. Welcome everybody. No, I think it's connected. Now it's not connected to internet. I think yeah. And the last data he got, I think in last 2021. So we don't have any idea what I'm talking about, you know? Like it's not live information. So it's a bit old information, but this is just the beginning. I think this is just the beginning. Later on, we're gonna have a huge transformation using AI for asking the right question or question like how to cure cancer or how to find a solution for a problem that we could actually find by using Google. So that's why AI, the stock is pumping. So AI, the stock is pumping because Elon Musk is behind this stock. And we see that the stock is pumped from this bearish channel. And the IBOs, it was around the 177, I think, or around the $90. Price went until the 107 and went down since then. From beginning of 2021. Then 2023, things change. Almost 2 years of bearish momentum for AI. The earning looking good. Still in negative, still not making money. However, yeah, we have some news. Yeah, the investors still pouring in. Investors still looking for AI. As well, we watching AI for a potential jump. That's why is on our list. Is on our list for today. Yeah, still strong buy for the technical. Still strong buy. For the analyst rating is around the $15. So yeah, looking good. So you see how diverse the thing that will be used for. Even in Paris, you see here the biggest energy company in France is actually chooses C3 AI for ESG standards. Really interesting. This one is really interesting. So we got many things could be used. Enterprise data analytic platform and operational uses enterprise AI at the scale. So we have many things. Even the Air Force, U.S. Air Force, increases aircraft readiness using C3 AI reliability. Interesting. So we have some kind of a huge projection of the price. Now is for AI stock is a lot of pumping for the stock because the projection for the price for the future. Okay, so we see that the price will continue to go higher just from the expectation what this company and AI in the big picture will do and will change actually like many sectors. And many people like copywriters, writers, many people actually afraid that AI will take their position there's no, you don't have to ask any professional anymore. You just go to chat here and you just ask anything, for the AI and he reply to you. And this is just the beginning. As we said, is not up to date because the last data that been uploaded here for this AI, it was in 2021. So 2 years lag. So this is just the first demo just to check and gathering data before the official release for the new ChatGPTs, which will transform everything. For my opinion, will transform everything. We shouldn't actually be afraid, for change. A lot of people are afraid of change. A lot of people afraid of change. BBBY loading up. BBBY loading up. Look, as we said yesterday, we need to hold above the $3 for BBBY, and the price hold above our level and still accumulating below our EMA. You see here, this area is really critical. First area to have a breakout for BBBY around this EMA. Yeah, interesting. Let me update the levels because I saw a level that will be interesting to break around the $3.65. This will be a breakout for today. If we broke it, will be really interesting. Let me just update our levels. Yeah, interesting. $3.65 for a squeeze, $3.65 for another squeeze for BBBY, and we should actually take a bit of profit there. So we're watching BBBY for potential squeeze. An area to hold for BBBY, this area. Otherwise, I'm gonna short BBBY instead. So this is area should be respected. We might see a huge pump. BBBY looking interesting. BBBY looking interesting. David. Great question. No, this is not my real name, but I like the dude, I like the dude. And everybody called me Jesus, so I said, why not? Why not I call myself Jesus? Because people, the community just see that I'm the new Jesus. So I said, okay, what's the problem? I'm just using the name, okay? It's not, if you are religious or anything, it's not I'm using the name in vain or something like this. This is just a name, okay? It's not, we don't have to speak about religion here or anything, okay? Here we try to make some money and trade against the insider and short sellers and try to have profit. So as we said, is not I'm not choosing this name as a religion reasons, okay? Brandon. Well, check it out. SINT crashed 50%. Let me just check. 18% yesterday, and today is 46% down. We got a reverse split 1-200. Oh man, this is really madness. What a delusion, man. What a delusion for this stock. Yikes. This one looked really disgusting. The chart looked really ugly. So I don't suggest to buy this one because it's been diluted like hell. It's really risky, man. For this one, it's really risky. Let me just check the pre-market volume for this one. SINT get shorted. Volume is light, almost 1 million. Owl Bass, thank you, Owl Bass. We got an offering and I think a reverse split for one stock, DGLY, jumping almost 2,000%, but I think it's not 2,000% as we said. Reverse split 1-20, so it's not gain, is actually down, so I don't like it. Reverse split and it's going down, it's not 2% up. Next up on the list we got CELZ. You see the D here, we have a delay of price action. That's why we have the D, orange D front of the ticker. We have to watch out for the delay price action. Now at the time being is 160% up. The volume post-market okay, pre-market volume, let me just check. Not bad. Yeah, pre-market volume almost 21 million. Looking interesting. Let us check CLZ. Biggest gainer for today. Biggest gainer, we have a huge volume for today. Yesterday the volume is low. Someone bought there, so we have to watch for continuation because now is almost 160. Let us draw the levels. Be ready to hunt this one. Let's see if we could manage to take some profit. Okay, so $1, 80, 28% and 60. Okay, so we have two profit taken. Support here around the $1. So the $1 is psychological level for this level, for the stock to hold. Looking good. We have conjunction area again. Price is still continue to go higher. Okay, I will put this on the list, CELZ. And I will put alert for it around the $1. The other one around the $1.86. Good. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, so for XELA, we already did chart analysis for it before our live streaming for entry and exit. We did Uber as well, and we did the pre-market update for those stock because it's been requested for us. Like SIDU, which pumped yesterday when we talk about support and pumped before the market close. So we're already prepared for the market before it open here on our picture and Discord. So now we're just watching for other opportunities. Like this one, we might trade. The other one on the list. Okay, so this one have less than 1 million worth of volume. However, it's pre-market. We might have a beacon up in volume after the market open. Let me just check this chart if it's good or not. Let's go on a daily. The daily looking not good. Okay, daily looking not good. It's not interesting. Let me just check. We have reverse split before 1 to 25. So the $7.77, the 3737, lucky number 7. Lucky number 7. For this one is the 7.77. I will be interested. Now I'm not interested. We might see a rejection, you know, the price go higher, get rejected and continue to go down. We'll watch the $7.77. At the time being, we let it go. The other one we might trade is not pumping like the other stocks, however, have potential. Let's check the stock up. Okay, this one looking better. In the daily, looking really good. We have double bottom. Price is reverse. We got short open near the 3. Price is gaining back some momentum. Unless we hold this support, the $1.90, we might see a sell-off. But $1.90 should be the bottom. What else? We might have a test there, which is the breakout zone for this stock. And then we might see profit taken around the $7.50. Let me just change that to green, that to orange, which is the breakout zone. But we're already far, man. We already gave some, 50% for today, I think. Let me just check. Today is the 8th of February. And today, the price went and rejected around the 6th of February. Okay, so it's not for today. This one is not for today. We have to wait. We only have time, man. We only have time. We let it go. We let it go. Don't run after the price. Let the price come to you. Exactly. This is the only way. This is the only way. There's other way, of course, if you want to be greedy and you force the trade. There's other way, of course. An easy way, because a lot of people take this road, and guess what? You're gonna lose money on this road because everybody in highway. If you take the other way, you'll be. A lot of people never take the other way because it's risky, is because it's uncomfortable, because it's outside your normal thinking. But this is the only way to make money and win in the market, at least. But a lot of people like the highway because it's faster, easier. But everybody knows the easy and the faster way always is not good way to take. Sometimes it's good to take the highway, of course. But not in the rush hour. Everybody knows highway in LA, in the rush hour, you can actually be 2 hours, 3 hours in a road, you know? Instead, it's just 10 minutes. That's why I hate cars right now. I prefer train, airplane. Welcome, welcome. We have a new hunter on our channel. Welcome, brother. We have Brandon. Yeah, Brandon. Welcome, Brandon, to the Our Hunter channel. He have a blue star, so I know he just joined. Naeem has a blue star, so I know he's been with us almost over 3 months. Okay, so any blue star is mean just 1 month. 6 is 3 months is mean blue, and the orange and more like red is mean 6 months and 1 year and beyond. Okay, so this is good to show me our supporter here on our YouTube membership. And of course, the other new member on our list, Kenneth Harvey. Welcome, brother. So we have new members, 2 new members for today. Welcome, brothers, in our Hunter Tribe community. Really appreciate it. Plus the like button and the way in. We have almost 80 people watching and just 30 likes. Come on, let's even this out. Let's even this out. Okay. So we got CELZ pumping in pre-market. We got 21 days before the earnings, and the price CC gapped up. Really huge gap for the stock. So we watching for holding for the one. SINT looking dicey. I will take it from the list. BRFX got shorted, but still in green, 33%. However, I don't like the chart. I don't like the chart for this one. I will take it off. VS, 12% down. This one gapped up, pumped toward our profit taking, but didn't overcome the $1.50. $1.50 is an important level to break for this stock. Okay. So we got AI as well. AI have a struggle, but we held above the 23. So this is good. We held pretty nicely above the 23. You know what I'm gonna do? I will do another level here, 19.29 for potential support before the 15 and 16. So this will be interesting to hold this level. If we broke this level, the 23, we might have a reversal there around the 19.29. Here will be a good reversal area and going higher again. So I'm watching for this trade, yeah, for AI, because it's overextended. You see, AI has been overextended, 5 and 4 more buying. So now the price will correct. AI on the move. We'll see if we broke this support toward this bottom. Abe, yesterday we went almost 1%. Yeah, almost 1% down. So we watch Abe for potential trade, BBBY, potential trade and sell off. Maybe we got sell off because we got huge test here around our MA and we got rejected. You see how many candle we got rejected on this level? We got many tests. We got many tests here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got 10 candles test this AMA and got shorted. So we'll watch this support if we're gonna hold it or not. The $2.82. Just watch out, guys. Here. This is it for BBY. What's gonna be? We have just 5-minute candle. 5 minute left for the opening pill. 5 minutes left. Welcome everybody. If you just tuning in for the first time, we do always our live streaming around the 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern time. Make sure to attend our live streaming the next time if you just came a bit late. Welcome everybody. We watch those stocks you see here on the Trading Jesus list. Okay, we got XELA still hugging the breakout zone. We watching XELA, Uber doing alright, gapping almost 7% up. This one I'm watching as well. Sidu, we hunted this stock yesterday, and we said if we hold this support, we're gonna have a pump, and that's what happened. The price pumped until the 70 cents. There's a potential another gap up, so there's a potential for reversal again and going higher. Let me just organize our list. Welcome everybody. Okay, we got 4 minutes left. 4 minutes left. Welcome, welcome, Gunter. Hi, brother. Naeem. Welcome. We have many members here tuning in. LG. Palantir for levels. LG, can you remind me later on to check your request after the first hour from our live streaming? Okay, so because now we have to watch out for this stock on our watch list, then we're gonna cover request stock from our members. Like Naeem asked about PRFX, Mary asked about XELA, CELZ, please. CELZ is on our list, so don't worry. So XELA and CELZ is on our watch list, so we're gonna cover them when the market open. And of course we're gonna cover STAV. It's been requested from us from our hunter on Bitcheon. However, he requested a bit late, because always we ask our hunter to request their stock before 10 p.m. Or 10 a.m. CET, okay, to cover all the requested stock at the same with the same video. Okay, so one of our hunters just got late, so I'm gonna cover it for him after the first hour from our live streaming. So now we have to watch out for XELA. XELA and Uber doing all right. XELA and Uber doing all right, and maybe this one, OM and CELZ and SIDU. BBY is still watching for a break for the $3.65 or break for this support. ABE still AI, VS. Okay, so let's go back to XELA and Uber. Both of them are pumping. Welcome everybody. We got just 1 minute left. 1 minute left. Plus like button on the way in. We got almost 117 people watching and just 51 likes. Come on guys, let's even this out before the market open. Let's make it 100 likes. Okay, let's get right to it. The market is about to open. Remember that trading is risky and you have to manage your risk and don't follow us blindly, because trading is risky and everything can goes. You know that this is really important in trading. Don't just get in without any strategy. That's why we discuss in our picture on Discord to have a strategy before you get in, and don't get FOMO. Okay, this is really important to know before we start our live streaming for today. Okay, we watching Uber. The price is kind of have a flag here and ready to pump once again and going down. Let's see. XELA. Let's see XELA. Let's see XELA if we have a pump. BGXX hit our scan. Let me just check this one very quick. Okay, went down. We got Uber going down and up in this flag. OMER still holding. This one is still bumping. Okay, CELZ. There's a potential for the 1.86. Let's see. Potential there. Still accumulating here. We might see a flush down around the $1. If we broke this flag, we're gonna have a huge bump up. This IDU going down a bit, but it's still holding above the 60. This is good. XELA is still accumulating in this critical area. You see here this accumulation. Oh man, this is really interesting. Okay, XELA is on the move. XELA on the move. XELA on the move. This one went down a bit. Let's see if we're gonna have a pullback and filling the gap here. And this one is looking good. SQL is hitting our scan. Okay, SQL looking good. Breakout, we have SQL, one of the biggest gainer yesterday. Okay, XELA is bumping. XELA is bumping. It's about to pump. It's about to squeeze. What's gonna be? Okay, we have a test for this one. XELA is pumped. Finally. Let's see if we have a clear breakout now or not. Come on, XELA is pumping. New high, a new high. We need another pump. Okay, XELA looking good. XELA looking good. Okay, XELA is ready. XELA is ready. Let's see if we're gonna go toward the 8 cent. XELA is pumping, guys. XELA is pumping toward the 8 cent. Let's see this one. Got shorted down, of course. We're gonna see hold up for the support. If we held above the $1, it would be a good reaction to have this and going up again toward the $1.86. Uber, XELA is pumping. XELA is pumping. Let's go, XELA. Let's go. Let's watch XELA. We need to hold, okay? We need to hold this area. If we want to continue to go higher, no sell-off. This area should hold. No going back down. This area should hold. Otherwise, we're gonna have a fake out. I don't like this. So this area should hold. Otherwise, we're gonna have a sell-off. Okay, rejection. Still. In 5 minutes, we'll confirm this breakout. And of course, as we said, we need to hold this break support. XELA should have actually went there at least until the 8 cent. I don't like this reaction. In 5 minutes, still dicey. In 5 minutes, it's still dicey. BBBY going down. Ape, AI, VS. VS is going up. Okay, XELA is still fighting. Still fighting XELA. Okay, the first 5 minutes candle got rejected. You see, we have a rejection for the first 5 minute candle. This 5 minutes should close up, man. This 5 minute candle should close up to confirm a breakout. What's gonna be? We need this 5-minute candle to close up. We need the 5-minute candle to close up. What's gonna be, guys? $17 million worth of volume for XELA. We're still waiting for confirmation for 5-minute candle. The first 5-minute candle got a huge wick and rejected. Support we should hold here in this circle. We need a pump toward the 8 cent. Where's the bulls? Where's the bulls for XELA? Where's the bulls for XELA? We need to go toward this box. Okay, looking good. Looking good for XELA. Let's go, XELA, let's go. This 5-minute candle is decisive. We got 3 minutes. 3 minutes to close green. 3 minutes to close green. This is a slow breakout. We should have actually went ready pumped, you know, we're ready pumped toward the 8. Come on. This one still OMR, no. SQL got rejected. Uber went down. AI is going up. AI is doing good, 6%. And VS as well. So AI is looking good. I'm looking XELA now. I'm still looking at it, XELA. Exactly. Yeah, we still lower on volume for this breakout. We should have actually went higher. A lot of people afraid, as you said. Yeah, we don't have a follow-up, you know. We don't have a follow-up for this breakout. We need to have a follow-up at least toward the 8 cent for this breakout. Okay, crawling back. XELA is crawling back slowly. As we said, this circle should hold, man. This is it for XELA. This is it. Let's go. XELA is moving. New high. 75.6, 75.8. Let's go. 45 seconds for this 5-minute candle to close. We need it to close really high around the 8 cent. Will be really perfect. 38 seconds, 35 seconds. For this 5-minute candle to close high enough to give a lot of people FOMO and buy, and short seller to cover. We need this kind of reaction. Fear of missing out and fear of losing money. Both of them are really important to let XELA pump. XELA is pumping. 9 seconds, 8, 5, 7, 6, 5, 4. This 5-minute candle is decisive. 2, 1. Let's go. Right now it should actually have a continuation for this pump. Let's see a continuation. Right now. This is really crazy right now. We don't want to have a flush. Now we have to have a continuation, at least toward the 8 cent. At least. Let's see how much this volume for this candle. 200k. Not bad. 200k. So we have a change in volume. So this volume is picking up for XELA for this breakout. So this is looking good. Okay, let's go. We need another high for this candle. Another high toward the 77 at least. Another high. We need another high for this candle. This will be good. We don't want to have this price going down. No, we need another high continuation for this candle to confirm the strength. No pullback, man. No pullback now. Let me just go in smaller picture. What's going on? We have a bit of pullback. We have a bit of pullback. Okay. 5 minutes. Still holding. Still holding. This is normal. A lot of people panicking. Don't trust XELA yet. Okay, testing, testing. If we got a new high for this candle, we're gonna have a squeeze. A new high for this candle will initiate a huge bump. This candle for the 8 cent. This candle for the 8 cent. What's gonna be? XELA, what's gonna be? I don't like it, you know, when we have a breakout like this, I don't like to have a struggle, you know, like this here. The struggle should be there, okay? This is normal if we have a reversal there, but not just after the breakout. It means this breakout is weak. Okay, this is I don't like. We should actually pump until the 8, not just going down to test the support again. Okay, a huge wick here around the 75. So let's see if we could actually hold this. Now we should have a new high around the 77 at least. We don't want to go back below the 75. We have to have a new high. A new high right now, a new high. A new high. We have to have a green candle. This one close a new high. This will confirm a strength. This is it. Let's see how much. Boom. A new high. We need a new high. This should be a support. We need a new high right now to take us toward the 8 cent. We don't want to go back below this wick. In smaller picture, in big picture, still looking good up over the 74. Man is holding a lot. Should have actually break now. Struggling. BBY breaking the $2.82. A huge sell-off will happen for BBY because we broke a support. We'll watch for BBY later because now is decisive moment for XELA. Aha, BBY, XELA is pumping. As we said, this is a support. We should hold it. Tesla's pumping over the 199. Oh man, Tesla's looking good. Okay, XELA. What's gonna happen for XELA? We need a new high. We need a new high for XELA. I think, let me just check Tesla. This one will take time to pump. Oh man, Tesla looking good. Tesla looking good. A breakout. Finally, we have a breakout for Tesla. Tesla toward the 200. Now 199. We might go toward the 200. Yeah, this is decisive moment for Tesla. Yeah, we might see a pump for Tesla for today. SIDU. Aha, SIDU is pumping. SIDU from yesterday trade SIDU is pumping. Already opened the trade, this one for SIDU. Yeah, we bought around the 50 cents. The price right now is pumping almost 71 cents. So this is looking good, looking good. SIDU 3% up and still pumping. Let me just put it on the profit taking 86. SIDU is pumping. SIDU. Okay. XELA is still struggling. Still struggling. Let me just put it here. Of course, going back down. AI is looking good, pumping from the bottom. Uber went down from this flag. We're gonna fill the gap. It's QL looking good, red to green, red to green. SQL, SQL. You know what I'm gonna do about XELA, SQL, then maybe AI, Uber not, Uber, CELZ. Going back, okay, SIDU looking good. And Tesla looking really great. So Tesla, we might have a good trade for Tesla. Yeah, Tesla looking good. Tesla looking really strong now. Look at this chart, man. Look at Tesla. Look, this is madness. We have a great reversal from the 100, and we did almost 80%, 87% since beginning of this year. Imagine 86% after the good earnings for Tesla. Everything changed. Now is bullish, man. Now is bullish. Now is bullish. Tesla is bullish. Let me just see if we could actually. Now Tesla is really bullish, man. Really bullish. We might see another 17% for Tesla easily. So, you know what I'm gonna do? We'll put Tesla and SIDU, both of them looking good. So we have SIDU. Let me just take this off and put Tesla as well, looking really juicy. I'll put Tesla there. So we have SIDU already opened the trade. We got now we are 40% in SIDU trade for Tesla. Now 200, we have a huge pump. We'll see if we have a pullback, then we enter. Tesla, looking good, really looking good now. Let me just check. Yeah, we have a great pump here. We have a bit of pullback. So let's see here, maybe stop loss or support. See if we could hold this level. We have a bit of selling pressure right now. Let's see if we're gonna have a pullback. XELA going back to test the support. SIDU is still pumping, looking good. And Tesla is pulling back. Okay, come to mama, come to papa. Tesla is pulling back around this breakout zone. Let's see if we're gonna hold above the 200, 2% up. We might see 10% today. Okay, let's see. It's fighting. Tesla's fighting. Okay, looking good. Okay, we have a support around the 180 for Tesla. Another support above our MA. Another mini support around the 193. Looking good. Looking good. Let's see if we could actually hold. 5-minute candle red. This IDU is a bit red. Okay, going back below the 200. is normal. Some people taking profit. Yeah, decisive moment actually around the 200 right now. Decisive moment. Okay, let's see if we could just open a trade for Tesla. Okay, SIDU, Tesla is still pumping. Okay, so Tesla is looking good. We need to hold above the 200, and we might take our first profit taking here around the 210. Just in case, and the other profit taking is around the 234. Let me just put it there, 210. Let's check how much we can do here. Yeah, 4% something. Yeah, this doable. SQL is going and pumping. Oh man, SQL doing right. We have a huge bump from here, 12%. SQL and the move here should be a rejection. We might see a rejection. Let's see if we're gonna break the 100 or the $1.71. SQL and the move, we have a breakout. SQL looking good. Okay, let's see if we hold the $1.43 for potential support. Looking good. AMC hit our scan. Aha, AMC testing the support. Oh man, this is dangerous. This is dangerous. So we might see a filling the gap around this area. Let me just check. Yeah, maybe around this area. $5.58 for potential support. Above our MA, we have to have a reversal here and continue to go higher. So this should be it for AMC. We don't want to have this reaction for AMC going to this box. Is really bad. I don't like it. Here is mean accumulation and refueling. Okay, above the $5.60. AMC going back. VS not good. Abe still. BBY got shorted. $2.72 got shorted, so we're gonna go toward this box. $2.25 first level. We're gonna have a reversal. Watch out for this level. Boom, we're gonna have a bit of reversal there and maybe continue to go down toward the $1.87. So first level to test around the $1.20, $1.25. For BBY, BBY is 10% down as we suggested. This AMA, this test, man, this test was our resistance around this level. You see here, a huge test, mini test, and the short went in heavily for BBY. SIDU still holding. We have accumulation. Tesla is getting rejected around the 200. SQL is getting rejected around the 171. Yeah, this is another breakout zone here. Let's see if we could break it. Okay, Uber going down after this breaking for this flag. We broke this flag when the market opened. You see, we give a huge profit because we broke this flag when the market opened. Now we're filling the gap around the 35. AI is still moving 10%. BBY still continue to go down. XELA still holding. Tesla huge wick around the 200. We need to hold this in order to confirm a breakout. This level should hold for Tesla to confirm a breakout and going higher toward the 210 and 234. We have a test and a wick. So we'll watch if we still hold this area. This area should hold for Tesla for confirming breakout. Above our MA, here should be our support. Let me just check. Okay, we have 5. The other 5-minute candle closed red. Okay, another test for the 202 for Tesla, for the 210. SQL got rejected. AI, Uber still holding above the gap. SIDU still, XELA still holding. XELA still accumulating above the breakout zone. What's gonna be XELA? MSGm is pumping, yes. MSGm. Thank you for let us know, because we forget to put alert for this one. Okay, so we have potential breakout right now around this level, the 1786. A new kiss. We might kiss this AMA here. This will be a great kiss. Hopefully will be a French kiss, you know. What I mean by French kiss will be really long and we're gonna break it. MSGm, potential huge test for the 1786. MSGm and the move 31%. However, the volume is light. Be careful. The volume is light. George, we already discussed AMC, TRKA. Aha, so it's going down. I don't like this one. TRKA is going down. Down to the depths. I don't like it. So TRKA is not looking good. This break, I don't like it. That's the like button and the way in. We always do live streaming each day around 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern Time, where we discuss many stocks. You see here we covered the MSGM. There's a potential squeeze right now while we speak. And we covered XELA, there's a potential squeeze. SIDU as well, we cover it and we already took trade for SIDU. And MSGm is breaking and testing this level. As we said, this area is potential break. Wow, 1786. Okay, 18. There's a potential break. What's gonna be? What's gonna be? Okay, MC. Okay, we have a breakout. Break. We might have a test here first for this profit taking 20. And then the 23. Let's see. 2038. Let me just go in a smaller picture. 5 minutes. Yeah, this 1 minute candle, red. We closed red. You just put it there. Yeah, we need to break. 5, 4, 3. This 1 minute candle. Let's go. Green. Okay, we need another green. Holding this level to continue to go higher. Come on, we need to hold. Still 5 minute candle, still testing. Let's check Tesla. Oh man, Tesla is still struggling to overcome the 202, which is the current resistance. Okay, let me just check. Critical area for Tesla to break. Interesting level to hold. You see, this is accumulation before another breakout for Tesla. This is accumulation in this area between the 198 and 202, accumulation before another break. What's gonna be? We need to hold this area, guys. Accumulating this area is really good. Accumulating here before a breakout, not accumulating here and going down. You need to hold to continue to go higher over the 202. In the big picture for Tesla, you see clearly that we are in the bullish mode for Tesla. In the big picture, look, we're still holding above this ascending line. The support, we held the 147. Now we have another support, the 180. So the 180 should be the support in the big picture. Okay, so this is really looking good. Looking good for Tesla. So let me just take this off. And this should be confirmation for a breakout. We need to hold above, let's say, the 195 to have a squeeze over the 202 and going toward the 210 and the 233 for Tesla. SQL is still pumping. Red to green, we have a breakout from this flag. We have a breakout, you see here? Great breakout for SQL. 34%, and I think we did it today. Yeah, but we broke from this flag pre-market. Yeah, we broke from this level in the pre-market here around 3 p.m. and then price reversed. So SQL looking good for a potential $2.25 and potential until the $3, 100%. So this one looking good. SQL, we have to put it on our list. Tesla ready to pump. Let's see the 200 pump. We need the 200 pump for Tesla. Okay, XELA. Bad breakout, man. I don't like this breakout. Not good, not good. Going back again below this breakout zone. Not good, man. I don't like it. Let's see if we hold this current support or not. But I don't like it. I don't like breaking down like this. Uber's going back below the gap. Okay, interesting. We broke this flag down. As we said, this is bearish. The moment that we broke this flag, it was bearish for Uber. Now going back to test this AMA. And the support should be the 33 for today. Okay, BBY have that cat bounce. We're gonna have a test and continue to go down. This one is risky. I'm not buying now. We're gonna have this reaction going toward the $2.90, then going down again. Okay, so watch out. Now is not good to buy. CVNA pumping. CVNA is hit our scan. 20%. 20% for CVNA. Okay, let me just check. This one is this one not interesting. The chart looking really bad. I don't like the chart. If I don't like the chart, I will never trade the trade. I learned this the hard way. MSGm going back to the depth. Got rejected around the breakout zone 1798. We have a fake out. Price went down again. I will put another alert around this 18 this time. APS, BBBY, CELZ. As we said, we need to hold the $1, otherwise we're gonna have a huge sell-off for the stock toward the 66. If we held this area, we're gonna have continuation toward the $1.86. Uber testing, AI holding, SQL no, Tesla still holding, SIDU still holding, XELA still struggling. So yeah, Tesla is still, we need to break the 202. What's gonna be? I have to finish this water. Is almost half. Always 1 liter. We have to finish 1 liter each live streaming. Because if I never put water beside me, I will forget to drink. Let's see Tesla. Let's see Tesla. SQL is really dangerous. Got shorted around the breakout zone. AI is still bumping. AI is still bumping. Okay. Red to green. So AI is kind of have the same scenario, you see. Pump, then a bit of selling pressure, pump, then a selling pressure, pump, then a selling pressure, another pump. same reaction. Every time we have a sell-off, people bought. Average down here and the price continue to go higher. So the price target for AI is almost around the $40. We might see the $40 for the next week, another 40%. The stock is to the moon. Yeah, we see here the short squeeze stocks, the heavy trending stock on Reddit, the SPY, then AI the second, then Nvidia, Tesla, BBBY the fifth. Let me just go to short squeeze play. We got BBBY, APRN, AMC, GameStop, and GNS. SIDU is picking up the momentum, 226 for SIDU, then Virgin Galactic, of course, and XELA. AI come on the 10th place, then Emulan. Okay, Mara, we have many stocks. Squeeze play, of course, we got HKD, the second squeeze play. It's funny that the SPY is on the squeeze play. Let me just go back and check APRN. It's been a while. And SIDU. MSGm try to break again the 17 or the $18. SIDU looking good. SQL got rejected and BGXX got shorted. No, we're still holding the $1.02. We're still holding. Okay, Tesla tried to break the 200 right now, 202. This is it for Tesla. We need to break. SIDU, XELA still holding the support as we said above our EMA. And AI still pumping. AI on the move. Okay, someone said GFAI is pumping. If below the 25% is not pumping, okay? 25%. So it's pumping. Okay, interesting. We have another play. Another stock is pumping. Let me just check. Okay, we have potential reversal and rejection. 44. Then we got this level, the 56, and then the 86. Okay, GFAI is pumping 27% now. The support is the 33 cents. It's funny. The 33 cent is the support and the 44 cent is the squeeze and the 55 cent is the profit taking. So after, yeah, let me make it around the 55. So 33, 44, 55. GFAI testing the resistance. What's gonna be? We have two interesting stocks right now, MSGm and GFAI testing an important resistance. You see what's happened? A test and a bit of rejection. Interesting. CELZ. We might see red to green right now. A support above the $1. AI, SQL, Tesla, SIDU, XELA. SIDU looking good, brother, looking good. Let me just put another support here. Okay, we might see a squeeze. Let me just check. Tesla for a break. Tesla for a break. Let's see a break, a new high for Tesla. Tesla strong, 2% going toward the 3% and maybe even 10% for today. First profit taking 2010 or 210. Tesla breaking, Tesla new high for today, 202.70 cents. Let's see the 210 cent for today. 210 cents for today for Tesla. Oh man, today the weather is so good. The weather is sunny here. I don't know what's going on with you guys, but here in France, the weather is so beautiful. We should be happy to be alive, and we have a sunny days like this. Aha, so a lot of people said BBY we might have a lower price. As we said, the $2.23 should be the first reversal. And now we got rejected. You see here we have a test for the $2.82. It was our support before. And now continue to go down. 8% down for today. We might see another pump down. Yeah, we might see 8 and 17. Almost 25%, 30% for today. We might see this reaction today. Yeah, a huge pump down. So be careful. 9% now, 9.30. VS not looking good. I will take it from the trade. Abe still holding our flag. Still holding. Looking good. Not that bad. For Abe's not that bad. So Abe looking not bad, still holding above this gap. Let me take it from the list for now. STAV, I will cover it later. Alligator. Okay. Okay. BBY, I will take it from the list. MSGm, still on the list. For potential break. Yeah, we got rejected around the 18. GFAI, oh man, it's pumping. GFAI pumping from the 44. Looking good, looking good. Yeah, CELZ is pumping as well. As we said, this is the reversal area. After we accumulated here, we said the price will go to have a reversal around the $1, and that's what we did. Great reversal. Now we need to have a new high around the $1.43 to go toward the 186 for CELZ. A huge pump, a huge pump. Holy water. Yeah, it's the holy water. Drinking holy water to keep the short seller away. So this is my holy water that I drink each day to keep the short seller away from my trade. This is really important. Let me turn on the lights. Okay, let me just put this. Tesla doing good. Tesla still pumping. SIDU going down, XELA. So we got Tesla, we put it up, XELA second, SIDU the third, SQL, AI, Uber, okay, maybe this one. Let me just check the list here. The top gainer for today, we got XELA top gainer volume wise, 44 million. We got BBBY 40 million worth of volume. It's still dropping down to now is almost 11% down. We got another one dropping down, but the volume is high. We got Uber almost 32, and AI of course is with 14 million worth of volume. Top gainer for today, we got MSGm and NEWR, CVNA looking good. We got requests for HKD, Sleeping Giant, one of the stock that been pumping last year, now is dead. Technically is kind of dead, man. It's dangerous. Now it's dangerous. We going to lower place. We go into a territory that if we broke this level, we might see a new lows for this year below the $9. Now $9.59, and we might see a break for the $9.40. It's dangerous. $9.40. So HKD, for people who ask about HKD, we might see a new lows toward the 8 and 7 and continue to go down, and then we're gonna have a reverse split, and it's not good. Now if we broke the 9, it's dangerous. I don't suggest to enter now. I'm buying the dip. As long as we hold the $9.48, we might have a reversal here. We might see a double the bottom, then continue to go around the 1290, which is the squeeze for HKD to go higher again toward the 19 and 15. But this area is dangerous. If we broke it, a new low for this year and continuation for price action for HKD, maybe the 875 and more down. Let me just take it from the list. We got requested stock for today, STAV. So for this stock has been requested from us regarding what's going on with it. I will be careful with it because it's low on volume. And the other thing is we have a huge test around this AMA. We got rejected around the 4 and the price went down. And the other thing, we have a reverse split so many times. You see here we have 1 to 6 last year or 2 years ago. Then we got this one 1 to 10 reverse split last year. So the stock is getting diluted, you know. So it's really risky to average down for this one unless we kind of break the $5.28. Otherwise we continue to go down for the stock. Down, 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 down. We might see a new low, $2.18, and we might see a break for this level after this test. So for this one, if you want to trade it, I would prefer to enter over the $5.28. Otherwise, it's risky now. We might see a break for the $2.18. Otherwise, boom, the price will continue toward the 1. So this is an exit strategy here. This means the price will continue to go down for the stock. SIDO getting shorted. XELA still holding. Tesla still struggling for the 202 resistant. Okay, GFAI still holding. Okay, let me just lower this here for potential support. Okay, so GFI is doing really great. We have a potential profit taken around the 55, breakout around the 44, support around the 33. Let's see a continuation. Here we might have a bit of resistance. Let's see if we can break this level. 49, 40. Yeah, potential resistance. So if we clear the 50, we might see the 55 for GFI, okay? So the 49.40 is the testing area right now. The 55 should be a squeeze level. Let me just put it there. Around the 56.89. So this is a squeeze area and profit taken. And the ultimate one for GFI for tomorrow is the 86. So GFI 86 after we clear the 56. What's gonna be, brother? Okay, break. Let's see. Now toward the 55 and 56. Let's see a hold up. 46% for GFI. QUPST. QUPST. I think let's check this one. It pumped, then it dumped down. I will take it from the list. I don't like the chart for this one. Okay, Tesla still holding. GFAI. We have a pump until the 54.37. 54.37. Yeah, we said the 55. And now we're getting rejected. Right below the profit taken. Yeah, 54.37. So let's see if we hold above the 49. Yeah, 49. 49 should be a support. And the strongest support is the 44. But it's better if we held right now above the 49.40 to break the 56 and going toward the 86. XELA red to green. Let's see. Still holding, still holding, still holding. Even though I don't like the chart right now, we should have a huge breakout. You know what's gonna happen here? Yeah. Spotted the level. Let's update our level here. And that, yeah, this 77 should be a breakout. We need to hold this level of support above the 7. So yeah, we have the 7 cent as a support and 77 as a breakout. SQL hit our scan. SQL. Okay, it's going down. Got rejected around the $1.72. Now is breaking kind of the support. Let's see here, testing the support. We have to have a reversal right now. SQL should have a reversal right now. We should hold here. We want to go higher, of course, if we want to reverse and go toward the $2.25. Okay, CELZ is doing alright. It's holding. We might see red to green now. It's CELZ. We have to lower this around this breakout zone. Potential break. MSGm still have a struggle to break this level of resistance. We have another support confirmed. Let's check what's gonna happen. MSGm looking good, and CELZ AI still, I'm watching for the 30 break. SQL still holding the support, the $1.43, as we said we need to hold it, and now we're still holding it, you see. So it's really interesting what's going on for SQL. The volume is around the 7 million. I'm watching closely what's gonna happen. Okay, so this is a break down. We got rejected around the first profit taken. The price go down. We need to hold this support. Okay, XELA, Tesla have a drawback. Okay, so we watching MSGm potential squeeze, both of them looking good. We need to hold this support to have a break. Okay. Thank you, Joseph, for this wonderful words, brother. Thank you. That you let me know that the only way to in our live streaming here to actually spread positivity and good energy. That's the only way. There's no other ways. So we got a mini question here. Naeem asked about Neo. Wow, it's been a while. Last time we've been asked to do update for Neo. Let me just check. Neo. Okay, for everyone who watching right now and wondering about Neo projection price in coming days, look closely with me what's going on with Neo. Neo have accumulation phase for days, for month, even from last October, between the $9 and the $13.60. Yeah, around this area. So here is accumulation. What I mean by accumulation is the market maker is buying the dip for it and holding the price in the range between the $9 and $13. If we have enough volume and enough market maker buying the dip around the $9, we can have the squeeze over the $13.60 and going toward the 24 for this year. Okay, so this is accumulation phase. Will confirm is accumulation phase. The ones we go toward the 14 and then holding above the 1360 to go toward the 24. Otherwise, if we don't overcome the $3.60 and we break instead this box from below, the $5.75 should be the bottom. Let me just see how much the dip. Yeah, another 33%. And this is, for my opinion, will be a great bottom to buy Neo at. Will be a good opportunity to swing trade Neo because we're going to have a reversal. And let me just check what's going on. We don't have alerts. This is not good. We have to have alert. Yeah, 14. The alert I'll put it around the 14.30 just in case. Yeah, this is looking good. I'll take it from the list. Okay, CELZ is about to break. Yeah, SIDU going down. Great question, brother, for BBY. Why we don't have a huge sell-off? So the reason for that, a lot of people start to average down for BBY. After this break, there's some people averaging down. That's why we don't have straightforward sell-off. Okay, we don't have panic because we got some news, fundamental news regarding the offering and the buyback for the shares. So some people have some hope and still averaging down. That's why we don't have a huge sell-off and straightforward toward this box. But eventually, the market maker will drive this price toward this box, okay? So that's why I'm not suggesting to average down now. Buying now in this area is risky. And of course, the first level to watch out for to have a reversal or test is the $2.82, which is we already tested and we got rejected. So this is a new level to watch out for around this area. Yeah, perfect. I'm watching for a test around this area. $2.41. We might see a first buying pressure around this area. Got rejected again, man. Whose is there? There's someone hiding here around the $1.21 for CELZ. There's someone hiding. There's someone selling CELZ. We have to figure out who's selling CELZ because this stock is pumping in pre-market over 150%. Now is 124%, and there's potential reversal and another pump. That's why we're watching this stock. MSGm potential break. I'm watching MSGm 32%. We need another test for the 1813. We got question regarding the SPY. No, brother, I don't drink wine. So that's why I don't transform water to wine, man. It's not good. We are working right now. It's not time to drink wine while trading. It's not a good idea. Maybe smoking weed, maybe, not wine. BBBY closing gap out, okay. Okay, let me just check Palantir for my brother LJ. Palantir. Okay, less than 1% up for today. Let me just check the charts. We already hit mini profit taken for Palantir. We already did chart analysis before. Let me just update the levels a bit. Yeah, it's tricky. Yeah, we got rejected around the 9. Yes, really tricky level here. Yeah, 12 maybe. That's why. So yeah, the big picture looking, we're looking for the 17 turning point. It's a bit far, but this is the confirmation for entering a bullish trend. Now is still we have a first signal. Yeah, first signal for a reversal. We have a test here, rejection, and now test around our EMA. Interesting, man, interesting. So Palantir, we have a first signal for reversal. Palantir looking good. We have a reversal here for this year, a potential reversal. We have 5 days left for the earnings. That's why there's a turning point. The earning will be after hours on the 13th of February, next Monday. So that's why we have a volatility for Palantir. So Palantir, we have to put it on the list and put alert around the $9.09 potential squeeze for Palantir. And of course, support that we should hold is $8. Interesting. Palantir, we should keep it on our list. Palantir looking good. Thank you for bringing this up, LJ. LJ, bring this stock for us. You have to thank LJ for bringing this stock for us. Oh, MSGm is about to break. MSGm. Okay, MSGM. Another try to break the 1816. You know why smoking weed while trading is good? Because you be less stressful and you never feel FOMO. You be relaxed, you know. Everything will be like chill. When you relax, it's good for anything. When you relax, when you're running or you're training, when you're dancing, when you playing sport, playing music, when you relax, you be at the top level, okay? Because you're not tense. When you tense, it's not good. Even psychologically, you know, if you're tense and afraid, you never be focused. But you have to be know the hot spot for you, you know, because if you smoke a lot, is will be not good. But if you smoke a bit, just to hit the right spot, would be really good. But it's not advisable, I know, and it's not advisable to smoke or drink. It's not good while drinking or even in daily life. I'm just saying this because it's really interesting to try things out and see which work for you, because everybody different. CVNA. Oh man, look what happened. We got rejected again. Those short, man, they're already fighting here. They're already fighting. The short, they have pants, and I think they will be naked here. If the price overcome the 18, they will never have shorts. They will get naked here, man. They will run naked, because the price will be squeezing toward the 20 and they have to cover. MSGM, let's see, the short running naked. Oh man, I'm waiting for this reaction. Okay, 1813. Let me just check CVNA once again. CVNA. It's dicey now. It's dicey, man. It's dicey. Let me just lower this down. Already tested. I don't know. Yeah, I don't like this reaction. Okay. Let me just check. Let's put it here once again. We might see another try to break the 16. So the 16 looking interesting. The 16 looking interesting for CVNA. Yeah, you're right. There's a potential pump for CVNA with MSGM. Potential pump for both of them. Remember, guys, if we have a squeeze for those stocks, we're gonna do update, of course, on our Patreon, because we always do chart analysis update, like when we did for BBBY, when we discussed this reversal, and even the breakout when the price is squeezed after our live streaming, when we said the $4.12 should be the support for continuation for the $5.85, and we make a really good profit on BBY trade. So stay tuned for this update on our Patreon Discord for any stock that have potential to squeeze after our live streaming, because we might end our live streaming just in 8 minutes. Tesla going down a bit. Okay, XELA is still holding our support. GFAI is still holding the support, the 44. As we said, this should be the support. SQL is got rejected on the 1.62. AI getting rejected as well. Let me just put another level of breaking out. Okay. Boom. Let me just put another level to hold for AI. Let me just check. We might see a squeeze for AI. We might see a squeeze for AI. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah, AI looking good. AI looking good. AI looking good. We need to clear this box for a potential squeeze. AI, the 2830 potential squeeze. CELZ not good now. We might see a sell-off toward the 66. MSGm and CVNA. Yeah, MSGM is number one. There's a potential for this one. There's accumulation. There's a potential for this one to squeeze. I'm watching MSGM. Plus the like button on the way in. We always do live streaming each day around 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern time. We always do pre-market update, watch list on our Patreon and Discord to prepare before the market open. Chris, thank you for the live streaming. Yeah, my pleasure, brother. My pleasure. What about AMC? Big B is angry. What about AMC, brother? Like, I can see your tonation of your sound. Like, come on, what about AMC? Dude, what up? Chill out, man, chill out. We're gonna check AMC in a bit, of course. We already check AMC before. KPRX. Thank you, Carl. Thank you. I'm really privileged and really happy to have this kind of community, hunter community, to trade with you guys. This is really good because we got many people asking for live streaming last year, and the live streaming is good because you not have to trade alone anymore, you know, because usually when you're trading you spend more time alone by trading. It's good because you have to be hyper focused and focus on trade, but it's kind of getting lonely sometimes, and you need to share an opinion, an idea with other traders. And it's really hard to find traders, even my neighbors or in my city. But YouTube and live streaming make it easier to find other light-minded people like me trading, and we trade with us, you know. And it's good because it's kind of give me ideas. And sometimes one of our hunters here watching our live streaming give us a good signal for stock, and we trade it and we have a good profit. So it's kind of win-win situation, you know. My pleasure, Big. My pleasure. Big B. Let me just take, he said KPRX, KPRX, he said is crawling up. Aha, it's crawling up without us? No. Doesn't make any sense. Yes, you're right. You're totally right. It's crawling up 13% with light volume. Interesting play. Interesting. $5 current support. We got shorted before around the $5.68. We have potential another pump for this stock around this area toward the $6.50. This one looking good. We'll see if we hold this current support above the 5. If we held it, game on. KPRX, MSGm still accumulating. It's still accumulating, man. This is madness. AMC for the big B, my brother. Let me just check AMC. We already checked AMC before, and we discussed the support, the $5.58. We have a huge selling pressure when we hit the $7. So in the big picture, you see with me, we have a breaking from this bearish channel, and that's why we got triggered a good trade for AMC after we clear this level. You see, we have a test for the $5.58, and we have a breakout, and price went to our profit taking. Now revisiting this support, we need to hold it. This is it. To confirm the strength for the chart for AMC. You see, we have a good reversal from the $3. We don't want to go back for this box. We need to hold above this AMA. Would be a really great reaction. Here would be a good reaction to reverse and going toward the 7, then the 8 or the $8.90. This will be interesting play. I'm watching. Okay, what's going on? Tesla still holding. Looking good in big picture, looking good. Good reversal. SIDU testing the support around the 60 cent. As we said, we should have a support here. That's why we have a huge wick. GFAI 41%. GFAI still pumping, holding the 44. Still, we might see this breakout after we finish our live streaming. For MSGm, 28%. We have a test twice for the 1813 breakout zone, support around the 1538. Now the price is accumulating in between. So there's someone buying, of course. But when? The idea is the 1 million question many trader ask when we should see the breakout. Nobody knows. That's why it's tricky to ask when. Nobody knows when exactly, but we have to have patience and alert, of course. So GFU going down, not good. Not good, brother, not good. KPRX, light on volume. This one is light. I don't like to trade it. Take it from the list. AMC, CVNA, maybe, but it's tricky. It's tricky, this one. I'll take it. CELZ. So yeah, we might see a drawback once again for this stock toward this level. If we broke the $1, we might see the 74 and 66 support. Watch out for this. AI is going back. AI is going back. Let's see if we hold. We need to hold this area for AI to continue this bullish momentum. AI, this critical area, we should have a reversal at. Oh man, if we have a reversal, it will be a huge pump for AI. Look, AI will be really interesting. Should we ask ChatGPT about Elon Musk involvement in AI? Okay, did Elon Musk coded you? Okay, cancel. Let me just take this. I think we are. We have to refresh. Let us ask. No, I was to follow a trade by OpenAI, not by Elon Musk personally. OpenAI is a research organization founded with the goal of promoting and developing friendly AI that benefits humanity as a whole. But really interesting. Okay. Interesting. So we got our answer. Elon Musk is not involved. He didn't code AI or ChatGPT. So this is good. Okay. So let us wrap up the stocks and see which the stock we should watch for today video. We're gonna do a video update at 8 p.m. CET for the stock that we have watched for today and tomorrow to prepare for tomorrow market, of course. So MSGm looking interesting, CELZ AI looking really interesting and promising. Sidu going back toward our support. That's why we have a reversal and holding up here. XELA still holding. There's a potential pump, but we have to hold the support. Tesla still holding, looking good. So yeah, we're gonna do update for the stock that have potential to squeeze for tomorrow around 8 p.m. CET on our YouTube channel. And we're gonna do short update for any stock that squeeze after our live streaming on our Patreon, like what we did for BBBY after squeeze before the short that opened the next day. For a good quick trade like this one, we have to enter and exit quickly before the short seller will come. So stay tuned for any updates that I will see after our live streaming. I will update. I will do the update here on our Patreon and Discord for a short analysis of potential squeeze stocks. Thank you for watching. We're gonna do a live streaming tomorrow at the same time, 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern time. So see you in the next update.